Climate change, more than just cars.
Many people believe cars are the main cause of climate change. While vehicles do emit greenhouse gases, they're far from the only source. Human activities across different sectors release large amounts of carbon dioxide and other heat-trapping gases into the atmosphere. Understanding all contributors helps paint a clearer picture of what's driving climate change.
Energy production, the biggest contributor.
Burning fossil fuels for electricity and heat is the largest source of global greenhouse gas emissions. Coal, oil, and natural gas are still widely used to power homes, businesses, and industries. These activities release significant amounts of carbon dioxide, far surpassing emissions from vehicles alone.
Agriculture and livestock, hidden impact.
Farming activities contribute significantly to climate change. Livestock such as cows produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Fertilizer use, rice cultivation, and land clearing for agriculture also emit methane and nitrous oxide, both of which warm the planet even more effectively than carbon dioxide.
Industry and manufacturing emissions.
Factories and manufacturing plants emit greenhouse gases during the production of cement, steel, and chemicals. These industrial processes often rely on fossil fuels and certain chemical reactions, releasing both carbon dioxide and other pollutants into the air, adding to the overall warming effect.
Deforestation, the role of vanishing forests.
Cutting down trees removes important carbon sinks from the environment. Forests absorb carbon dioxide from the air, slowing climate change. When forests are cleared for timber, farming, or development, not only do emissions rise, but the planet loses a valuable natural tool for keeping our climate in balance.
Cars matter, but they're only one piece.
Personal vehicles do contribute to climate change, but they are just one part of a much bigger puzzle. Addressing climate change means looking beyond cars to tackle emissions from energy, agriculture, industry, and deforestation. Understanding all contributors allows for more effective solutions.